Okay, we have a Hyundai iload. It has the annoying buzzer. 2 screws either side of the steering wheel. Just turn the wheel to get to them. 3 underneath. Take the cover off. Like so, somehow. This one's pretty easy. There's no plug to unplug, otherwise you'll be turning off the light for the barrel. Okay, it has a little switch at the back. There's your plug for your light. Oh, zoom in, that one there. This is the switch for your barrel. Click it up. You can pretty much remove it if you want to. Still beeping. Push it out. That's the switch. No more buzzer. We'll just put the switch out of the way. Somewhere neat.